Hi, in this lesson, we are going to compute for the predetermined overhead rate. For number 2, we are going to compute the actual manufacturing overhead. And number 3, we are to prepare a journal entry to close out the manufacturing overhead account into the cost of goods sold. So let's start. For the predetermined overhead rate, the formula is budgeted manufacturing overhead divided by the budgeted direct labor cost. 993,300, which is the budgeted manufacturing overhead, divided by 77,000, which is the budgeted direct labor cost. The answer here, $12.90 per hour. Next, we will fill this up. Depreciation, the given is 225,000. We have property taxes, 19,000. Indirect labor, we have 79,000. Supervisor salaries, we have 210,000. Utilities, 58,000. Insurance, we have 32,000. Rental of space, we have 295,000. Then, for indirect material, we have the beginning inventory January 1, worth $46,000. Then we add purchases, $95,000. So the computation for indirect material available for use is the sum of beginning inventory January 1 and the purchases during the year. We deduct ending inventory December 31, which is $62,000. We get the indirect material used. The formula is indirect material available for use less the deduction of ending inventory December 31 will give us $79,000. Therefore, our actual manufacturing overhead is the sum of all these values in this column. We have $997,000. To compute for the over-applied overhead, we have the following formula: actual manufacturing overhead minus the applied manufacturing overhead. We have the actual manufacturing overhead as 997,000 minus the predetermined overhead rate with 1290 multiplied by the actual direct labor hours, which is 79,000 hours. That will give us 22,100. For number 3, journal entry to close out the manufacturing overhead account into cost of goods sold. So for the debit side, we have 22,100, and for cost of goods sold, we also have 22,100, which is from the over applied overhead. Thank you very much.